Yeah, YouTube. I got the whole thing sanded down. Next step to repaint it. We're gonna yeah, YouTube. It's the dark blue, deep blue sea color. Got the base coat on there now. The last coat. I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit, then I'm gonna hit it with the clear. Tell you, came out way better than the last one. I do got the imperfection. It ain't come from me spraying, it come from me not missing the body work from before. Like I think it's the not the overspray, but the runs. I missed a couple runs when I was sanding it down, but just a work truck. I'm gonna go and put the clear on there for y'all and hit y'all back up in a minute.